Hi guys, today I'm gonna introduce the top 8 must-do things in Bali. In this video, I will introduce some activities that you can do, as well as places you should definitely visit while in Bali. Please remember to subscribe and comment. Number 8. Island Temple Tannah Lot Tour. Tannah Lot is a small temple located at the beautiful rocky island. It is nice during the daytime, but it's even more beautiful during the sunset. It is 1 hour drive from Kuta. You can either rent a taxi or a scooter. I personally really love driving there because of the rice field scenery.
Number 7. One-day cooking class. You can easily find one-day cooking classes on TripAdvisor. The driver first picks you up at the hotel in Ubud, and then you get to look around the local food market from the morning. There you can see the ingredients you'll be using for the cooking class. After you arrive at the cooking class, you get to meet people from around the world. And maybe you can make new friends. I strongly recommend joining the cooking class because it was one of the most authentic experiences to enjoy in Bali. I can gain not only knowledge about local food, but also about the local culture. The most satisfying and happy moment would be eating all these delicious dishes we've cooked together at the nice cozy dining area while talking to each other.
It shouldn't be mixed with others. Number 6. Shopping at Ubud Market and Sunday Flea Market. Ubud Market is probably the most famous market in Ubud. But since there are too many tourists, some sellers may overcharge you. So be sure to bargain whenever you buy something. We got a fake ivory ornament with 100 rupiah, discounted from 250 rupiah. This is Canggu Sunday Flea Market. I liked it here more, even though it was smaller. It is because most of the products here are handmade, being sold by the makers.
Number 5. Traditional dance performance. Have you ever watched a beautiful fantasy movie called The Fall? In the movie, there is a dance scene with very unique chants. At Kecak Fire&Trance Dance performance, you can see the original version of it. It is performed inside the temple. The performance is very authentic. It's not a very fancy performance, but you can still sit very close to them. Enough to feel their passion and energy. Also, I was impressed that the local community is very eager to volunteer themselves to perform regardless of their age.
Number 4. Shipwreck Scuba Diving. If you love diving, don't miss the shipwreck diving in Tulamben, Bali. USS Liberty Wreck is just by the shore, so you can walk right into the sea. Water has good visibility and not very rough, so even though you're not a certified diver, You can easily dive if you're with an instructor. It is really amazing to swim through the shipwreck. It made me feel like I'm some kind of main character in an adventure game.
Number 3. Rice Terrace and Coffee Plantation Tour. I believe you all know about the famous rice terrace in Bali. But the real hidden gem is about 5 minutes away from here. It's Bali Pulina Coffee Plantation. When you arrive here, the staff gives you a ticket bracelet. And then you get to have your own guide who is extremely kind. You can see Asian palm civet, who produces kopi luwak, and coffee beans that were extracted from them. After the tour, you can visit a cafe with the most beautiful rice terrace scenery. These 8 different flavor coffees are served, and don't be surprised, the tour and the 8 coffees are all free. So don't forget to visit Bali Pulina Coffee Plantation when you visit Rice Terrace. My favorite was Bali ginseng coffee, so I got one for myself.
Number 2. Beach Club. There are many beach clubs in Bali that you can relax and have fun. I went to 3 beach clubs. The first one was Ubud at Seminyak, which was my least favorite because it was too posh. Finn's Beach Club in Canggu was my second favorite. It had a nice vibe and you can dance when it gets dark. Potato Hat Beach Club in Seminyak was my favorite. I really liked the swimming pool there and the atmosphere was nice. The color of the beach that day was unforgettable.
Number 1. Arack Cocktail Class. I picked this Arack cocktail class as number 1 because it was very unique and enjoyable. You get to make your own creative cocktails by using Balinese fruits and herbs. Academy Bar's Balinese Arack mixology class is 3 hours long, and you'd love this class, especially when you're with your partner or friends. The mixologist lets you taste different types of Aracks before the class, and shows you special fruits and herbs you can use for the cocktails. After you get to learn how to handle the tools and basic cocktail making methods, you can make 2 different cocktails with the help of the mixologist. The mixologist was an absolute delight and super passionate the whole time. We had so much fun, and I think it was because we were a little tipsy. Please see the description of the video for details about the class.
So this is it. How was my top 8 must-do things in Bali? If you want to ask anything about my trip or my digital nomad life, feel free to leave the comment. I'm always happy to reply.
Links to each of the activities from this video are at the description below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.